All right, we're here at lot 278, Duggar Drive. All the homes are coming along very well. Getting very close to completion. Go ahead and take a walk around the outside. So they're just painting and touching up around the inside right now. Probably be ready for a home inspection within a week. You can see they're quickly cutting in this new section over here, getting the roads and everything put in. Prices just keep going up. See the back of the house here's just about done. It's gonna be a really nice covered deck. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside. So back around this way, comes into a nice, oversized 2-car garage. And now we're in the basement. So right here, we've got some storage under the basement, under the stairs. And through here, you can see all the finishes are really starting to come together. So in here, we've got a good sized closet for storage. And then we've got a full bathroom here. And bedroom number 1 in here. Back around this way, we'll go upstairs and go check it out. Coming up into the living room here. Then it opens into the kitchen. Still got to get appliances put in. We'll need those to be installed before we do our home inspection. Pantry here. Check out that covered deck. This way, got more bedrooms. These are all pretty much done. Carpets installed. They're putting on a second or third coat of paint. Got a full bathroom here. So vanities and bathtubs, toilets, everything's installed. Linen closet here. Laundry right here. And then back this way is the master bedroom. Right here. And master bathroom. So it is just about ready for the inspection right now. All right, and that's the update. Keep you posted.